Welcome to our kitchen review zone. Today we're diving into a game changer, the Ninja Air Fryer Pro 4-in-1 Model AF1441. If you're looking to cook faster, eat healthier, and enjoy crispy, delicious meals without the mess, this might just be your new favorite appliance. Let's talk specs. The Ninja Air Fryer Pro AF1441 is designed for versatility, combining 4 cooking functions in one compact device: air fry, roast, reheat, and dehydrate. With a generous 5-quart capacity, it's perfect for families or small gatherings, easily fitting up to 2 pounds of French fries or 4 chicken thighs at once. Now let's talk about the magic behind the crisp: Ninja's Air. Crisp technology circulates hot air at up to 400 degrees, locking in flavor while reducing fat by up to 75% compared to traditional frying methods. That means crispy outside, juicy inside, every single time. The unit is powered by 120 volts, making it compatible with standard US outlets, and it heats up quickly. No need to preheat for ages. What about cleaning? No worries. The non-stick basket and crisper plate are dishwasher safe, so you spend less time scrubbing and more time enjoying your food. Plus, the sleek gray finish and compact design make it look great on any countertop. Modern, minimal, and super functional. Craving fries? Want to roast veggies? Preserve your fruits by dehydrating them? Or just reheat last night's leftovers without turning them soggy? This one device does it all beautifully. So is the Ninja Air Fryer Pro worth it? Absolutely. For anyone looking to simplify meal prep without sacrificing taste or nutrition, this is a solid investment. Fast, powerful, and super easy to clean. Healthier cooking. Less oil. More flavor, everyday convenience. Thanks for watching this review. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more honest product breakdowns. Cook smarter with Ninja and turn your kitchen into a flavor factory.